before you place an order from Ellis and Parker Shoes. You might want to watch this first because the internet is full of online shoe stores that look impressive at first glance but don't always deliver what they promise. Ellis and Parker Shoes is one of those websites that has recently been getting attention online, mainly because of its stylish shoe designs and prices that seem surprisingly affordable compared to many well-known brands. At first glance, the website appears modern and professional, with clean product images and multiple categories of footwear that make it look like a well-established brand. However, when looking deeper, there are a few things that raise questions. For example, while the designs look attractive and the discounts can seem tempting, information about the brand itself is quite limited. There isn't much detailed background about the company, its history, or where the shoes are actually manufactured. Another point worth noticing is that some product listings focus heavily on visuals and promotions but provide only basic product specifications, which can sometimes make it harder for shoppers to fully understand what they're buying. On the other hand, the site does offer standard online store features like a shopping cart, product pages, and checkout options, which might make it appear legitimate to many first-time visitors. Still, when evaluating any online store, it's important to consider factors like transparency, verified customer feedback, clear contact details, and return policies before spending your money. Based on the overall information available, Ellis and Parker Shoes falls into that gray area, where it doesn't immediately prove itself as either a clear scam or a fully trustworthy brand. Because of that, the safest approach is to stay cautious, double-check customer experiences, and avoid rushing into a purchase until you feel completely confident about the website.